The children are now being fed. That's a lot of mouth to feed.
Yeah, a lot of mouth.
Mm.
And also it gives them a different diet, you know? Because here it's everyday rice,
What is it, pasta?
pasta. So we're introducing pasta.
Hello, how you doing? You okay? Good boy.
Okay, yes, okay, Mr. T, I welcome you once again, Clyde and Chief, you know.
Chief Keith.
Chief Keith, yeah. So, like I said, here we are. You are in the project. This is the school, you know. This is the Bantaba that had a problem, and then we fixed it. It's ongoing. We just have some technical problem, and then also this is the alternative classroom that we put in place until we will be able to build a classroom. So, out of the funding that we have from our donors, we are able to buy sand. We are able to buy about 40 bags of cement. So our target is from now against next academic year, which is the September, we'll be able to have at least a 3-classroom block and an office, and also a dining hall and a kitchen. And if possible, we will put a toilet attached. So what I will do is extend my greatest sincerity to people and our thank to people who are giving us the support. That is the Manning family and their funders and their donors, and also the No Limit Activate community. And we hope this funding will go a long way in supporting the initiative that we have for the community. And then we give you a big thank you. We hope that the relationship and the support that you are giving will continue. We thank you ever so much.
Okay, cool. So here we have some of the cement and sand that he was talking about. So some of the money's gone into that. So as he said, there's some in the far distance. You can see the blocks that he started building. Some of the blocks there. So he's looking for a free classrooms and toilet and kitchen, hopefully by September. It's a very tall order, but we'll see what happens. So next year we'll come back and see if it's all done.
My brother T, I hope you are well. This is the project. It already kick-start, and this is the 3-classroom block, office, and a dining room for the children to eat. And then also this other one also is ongoing. Okay, and then the veranda that we were using for the time being, you know, since it is Christmas holiday, I am capitalizing on the little time that I have to complete the said project. Okay, like I said, I will still need your support and the support of the Manning family and the Activate Community UK, and all the supporters who are supporting the project that we have at hand. We give you thank you, big thank you, and our Christmas greeting to all of them. Yes, still support is needed to put a roof on this, and also, you know, to do some other small job. Yes, my brother. Yes, I hope the year will bring us all success and then peace and tranquility. Thank you, my brother.
Nephew, we doing this good.
Yep.
Clyde, you learning power control there. Thank you. Okay, bye. Whoa. One line.
One line.
Right? One line.
How many times have we tried this one line?
Yeah.
One line.
I don't think it works.
Help me straighten out.
No, don't fight. No, pushing. No pushing. No.